Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Your space for understanding society in ways that textbooks just can't capture. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Because here, we don't just study sociology. We live it, we feel it, and we question it. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people are born with silver spoons, while others have to fight for every meal? Why some voices echo in the halls of power, while others are silenced in the streets? Is this all just luck? Or is society built this way on purpose? Today, we're diving deep into a powerful topic that lies at the very heart of every community, every system, and every generation: social stratification. In this video, we'll break down what social stratification really means, and why it's everywhere. The different systems that have divided societies across history, like caste, class, and slavery. And finally, we'll explore if people can really climb the social ladder, or if some of us are stuck where we're born. So grab your curiosity, because what we're about to explore isn't just theory. It's your life, your neighborhood, your future. Let's peel back the layers of society together. Imagine standing in a multi-story building. Some people are on the top floors, living in luxury with everything at their fingertips. Others are stuck in the basement, struggling for light, space, and air. This is not just architecture. This is society. This layered structure is what we call social stratification, the division of society into different levels based on resources, power, prestige, and privilege. Key definition: social stratification refers to the hierarchical arrangement of individuals in society based on factors like wealth, occupation, education, race, gender, and power. It's not about individual differences. It's about group-level differences that are built into society. For examples, some people have access to quality education, while others don't, not because of ability, but because of class or location. Dimensions of stratification. Stratification isn't just about money. Sociologist Pierre Bourdieu talked about 3 forms of capital: economic capital, income; property, wealth; 2. Social capital, networks and connections. 3. Cultural capital, education, language, tastes, manners. These 3 often go together. A child from a wealthy family may attend a good school, learn a prestigious way of speaking, and make useful contacts, reinforcing their social position. Theories of stratification. 1. Functionalism. Davis and Moore. They argue that stratification is necessary. Society needs roles filled, and rewards motivate people. Criticism. Not all high-paying jobs are the most important, and not everyone has equal opportunity. 2. Karl Marx, conflict theory. Society is divided into 2 main classes. 1. Bourgeoisie, own the means of production. 2. Proletariat, sell their labor. He believed stratification comes from exploitation, and change comes through class struggle. 3. Max Weber, added layers. He said stratification is about 1. Class, economics; 2. Status, social respect; 3. Party, political power. 4. Bourdieu focused on how inequality continues through lifestyle, education, and values. Even without direct discrimination, The system favors people with the right kind of capital. The next topic is social mobility, which means moving up or down the social ladder. There are two types. The first one is intergenerational mobility, which means change across generations. And second is intragenerational mobility, which means change in a person's own life. In some countries, people can improve their status through education or work. In others, the system is more rigid. Your background decides your future. The next topic is intersectionality. Stratification connects with other factors like gender, race, ethnicity, and disability. Intersection. LITY means some people face multiple disadvantages at the same time. For example, a poor woman from a minority group may face class, gender, and racial inequality together. Global stratification. Stratification also exists between countries. Some countries are core, wealthy, powerful. Others are peripheral, poorer, dependent. World systems theory explains this global pattern. So the question arises, can stratification change? Yes, change is possible, but not easy. Education, activism, and policy can reduce inequality. Laws against discrimination, investment in public education, or social safety nets all help. But the system often adjusts to maintain inequality. Social stratification affects us all, even if we don't always see it. By understanding how it works and why it continues, we're better prepared to question and challenge inequality in our own communities. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.